We have to test these products over a period of 3 to 4 years in multiple environments under multiple stress conditions to build that data set to make that decision. And it's a very strict regimen. And so, for example, typical research locations across North America, we may test up to 100 different sites for small plot testing. And then you throw in impact testing, and that grows exponentially to 500 some sites. Out of that 500 some sites of impact testing, we may only qualify a fraction of those, say 10%, that would fall into that category of being the right environment for stress for us to make the decisions that those things meet Aquamax. So first, that's answered the first part of the question. Extensive environmental testing. Once we build that data set, those Aquamax products have to perform better than our current commercial check package. It's not one specific trait that makes a product Aquamax. It's really a combination of multiple things. Shorter stature, vertical root penetration versus lateral root penetration, more aggressive silking dynamics when the crop is flowering and is pushing silks out, the ability to continue to push those silks out through extreme stress. Leaf area, the size of the leaf area on the plant plays into the drought tolerance of a product as well.